Hey friends, if you encounter the .NET Runtime Error 1026 exception code c00000fd on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and then click on Turn Windows features on or off. Now, just uncheck this for both of them. Click on OK. This will disable .NET, okay? Once this is done, restart your computer and enable that. Okay. Okay, we'll go here again and then we will re-enable the .NET. Now, this should fix in many cases, but if it does not, then just open any browser and search for runtime library C++. Scroll down and click on latest supported Visual C++ downloads. Select Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Scroll down and then click on x64 and install it. That's it. By now, in 99% cases, the issue should be fixed, but if not, then you can perform a clean boot. Why? Because it could be probable that a third-party software product is preventing the action. So, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable or apply OK and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.